Domestic animals. Dog protect us. I love dog. We feel cozy while playing with cat. I love cats. Cow gives us milk. We become healthy. Drink milk every day. Hen provide us eggs. Provide us protein. Camels are used for riding in desert. Camel also provide milk. Goat gives us milk. Goats are raised on farm for their meat and milk. Sheep give us wool. Sheep is on farm for their milk and meat. Parrots copy our voice. I like parrots. Like, share and subscribe.